is where my indicator is pointing up on the daily or down, and the 4 hourly and the hourly. So simple strategy. I look in the morning before I leave home. I just look. If I get two reds, then and a green there on the hourly, what I do is I place a sell stop on the hourly. If the hourly turns in the direction of these two long-term trends, then I get a sell. And if it doesn't trigger, there's no harm. Then it just runs up and my trade never triggers. And I cancel it at the end of the day automatically. So if you look at my dashboard at the moment, presently, I would be selling that pair, the Aussie dollar, New Zealand dollar. I would be buying the euro Swiss franc here. Okay, I would be buying the GBP CAD, and I would be buying the GBP NZD, and I would be selling the NZD CAD, and that's it. Now let me show you a trade I placed this morning. The US dollar Swiss, USD CAD this morning gave me 3 reds, 2 reds here and a green. And this is the pair, USD CAD, look there, see there. So this morning I placed this, when I left, you can see this is around about 80s, 7. I left at 7, there. So I placed the sell stop below the low of that candle with a stop loss. I actually didn't bother to put a stop loss in, but I could have. That's what you should do. I didn't do that because this is a demo. I didn't bother. And look there, it triggered at 10 o'clock and it's sitting way nicely in profit. But now look, you see this, all these prices turning around here, that's called support. This thing is a very strong support level now. So let me show you how easy it is to close that. There is my trade, you can see there. It triggered this morning at, what time did it trigger? Oh, it triggered at 15:12. Yeah, 15:12. And see, I put no take profit, no stop loss. And for me now to close that trade, all I do is I click and then I bank that $22. But you can see I played a small lot here. I didn't play big. I always listen to my thing here. This tells me how big I must trade. It tells me how far it will move, and it tells me my risk in dollars. $24 is 2%, and according to that, I can put my stop loss at 32 pips, which is twice the ATR, and I need to price that volume. It was on 0.9, so I didn't bother to change it to 0.1. 0.09 is close enough to the 0.9. And look there, and just check how quickly it is to actually close the trade. I'll just click on the cross, boom, gone, money in the bank. And now if I go to my account history, there's my account history, I can go down to that trade. There is that trade. Interesting. Now I can drag it onto my chart like that, and look there, it tells me that's where I sold, okay, and this is where I took profit just now. This is a fantastic free platform. All you do is you deposit your money with a broker and you trade it. This is a demo account, you can see at the top there. I always work on a demo when I test systems. By the way, look at my arrow there. You see that arrow? Lekker arrow there, look there. And off she runs. There are some more. Now, I just want to show you how quickly it is to trade this. I can bring up an immediate trade button there. Can you see there? If I want to buy now, all I do is I click buy. Boom. Done. See there? It places the trade. And look here. Sorry. Look there. There's the trade. You see there? This minus 179 is the difference between the ask and the bid. Let me quickly show you that. I know it's overwhelming, but I just want to give you a little bit of a feel of what can be done and achieved in this. Just show the ask line. Remember, I know this thing like the palm of my hand. Eh? Now the difference between this little silver line and the red line is called the spread. Okay? And that is where the broker makes his money. He makes it when you buy and when you close. So that's where they make their money, and that's why you can have the platform free. Now if I want to place okay, I bought there. If I'm going to place a stop loss, I just go on it and I drag it down. Now check on the right, just check on the right, over here, over there, check there. You can see the dollars you're risking and you can see the pips. Now my top thing tells me I can risk $24 there, okay? So all I do is I just drag that until I see $24 on that, and then that's my risk. That's 2% risk. There it is. So if it goes down and it hits that, right, then I'm going to lose 24. Now I put my take profit. Okay, I take that and I drag it up. A very good place would be just before the double tops here. And if I hold my thing there, you can see $23 profit, which is very close on a one-on-one. It'll be nice to push it higher, but these levels are very strong support and resistance. You can see there how the market price leveled out there. This is quite amazing. So that's basically just to show you what is possible. But you need very strong discipline, and you've got to persevere and just stick to your rules. If you stick to your rules, like that crossing one that I've shown you there, there's the cross, there's the candle that you enter, stop goes above there, you let it run twice your stop. Look there, that's a money. Look there, there's the crossing candle. There, let me just enlarge it, see how easy it is. There's a crossing, where was that one? Crossing candle, and the first candle to close below that, right? There's your entry, stop goes there, take profit twice. Let's look at this one. There's the cross, there's the entry, stop goes there, and you wait for twice that, so it's still open. There's the cross, and look there, it must within 5 candles close below. Okay, so that is a crossing candle. None closed below, none closed below. First one closing below is this one. I wouldn't take that long trade, not at this level. I wouldn't take a long there, a short at that stage, because it's most likely going to reverse from here. So if I leave this open now, this trade is either going to lose $23 or win $24. And you can lose contact with your server, everything doesn't matter. You've got everything under control. So what I do in the morning is I check my dashboard here, and I go and I place those trades. And this is one that triggered. Here you can see the GBP Aussie dollar. GBP Aussie dollar this morning, I've set a buy stop. And if you look at the GBP Aussie dollar, where it is, if you look there, let me just quickly drag in big here. Okay, that you can see, you will see where I've got my trade. Oh, I was playing a lot here. Let me just close all these. These are the multi-time frame indicators that I use to make my decision, and that's what's on this dashboard here. Let me just take it out of the way for you. Okay, so I had a buy stop this morning. You see there? But it actually never reached it. It just kept on going down. So it was very safe. The price was here when I placed it. I thought it's going to go up. My dashboard told me that it's going to go up. So I placed my buy stop there, and look there, nothing happened, because it's still sitting here, and at the end of the day it'll cancel. I can cancel it now. Boom, gone. Easy. So if I anticipate this thing is going to go bounce up now, I can right click there and I can say trade, buy stop, boom, there it is. Now if the price crosses there, it'll buy, and I can put a stop loss on it. This is amazing actually. Let me just show you there. I'm just going to drag it down here until it you see there, now it can modify, and I can put a take profit on it, and that's what I do in the morning when I leave. And then those things can see there, as soon as it says modify, there we go. So there is a stop loss. If I enter there, oh, by the way, I can drag it down a little bit if you want to. Watch there, you can go on it there and you can drag it down. See there? Don't break your head about anything, but I just want to show you capabilities of the software that we use. Okay, there's my stop. So if I go on it, I can see what my stop is. There I'm risking $40, maybe a bit much, because I shouldn't do more than 24. And then I put my take profit just before that double top, because that double top there, that top will be a serious resistance. It won't somewhere go through there. That's a nice place to bounce. Okay, look there. Okay, so my take profit would be, and it's immediate, all on chart, $28 or a $40 loss. Okay, not ideal, but it's with a trend. See there? There's the 200 moving average, that's the 50 moving average, and once again look at the crosses above. There's a cross, entry, boom boom, up she goes. There's a cross, entry, there she goes. There's a crossover, there's the close above, there she goes. So those rules are so simple, and you can see my arrows, look here. If this goes up, you only trade the green arrows. Boom, 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 boom. All of them. And it's when these things cross above. So this is my arrow. This is my really, and this is my dashboard. So I look at the other daily. If it's red, I'll go red. If it's green, I'll go green. And then I use my stop loss, my buy stops like that. And easy to take it off. Look there. I just right click on it, gone. This is the most amazing, powerful software that we've got, and it's all free, and you can use it on demo. You can register a Sense account. $100 gives you 10,000 units to play with, and you can trade it as though it's $10,000, but it's not. So it's a very good way to learn kids how to do that. Okay, enjoy. Hope I didn't bore you. Have a good time. Have a good weekend. Bye bye.